merong ano nun, labanan dito sa ano sa Crystal Valley, sa bumili dito. Diba? Rayo,
Sister Marian, Sister Grace.
yeah, kasi pupunta pa tayo sa Jordan tapos sasakay pa tayo sa boat. So, hindi tayo pwedeng masyadong magtagal dito. Diba? Makapag-pray tayo and then ano. Ang pinakamalaga na maintindihan natin yung prophecy sa Bible na dito maganap yung the Battle of Armageddon, the final battle. Yung mananalo ang Panginoong Jesus. Amen.
Amen.
And if you are on the Lord's side, you will surely win the battle.
Amen.
But the decision is now. I mean, your decision here on earth that will allow you to win the battle when the battle of Armageddon will come. At walang nasasabi kung kailan. Sabi nga ni Pastor Ronald, hindi mo na lang yung isang iglap doon ka na pala sa, di ba? It depends on our decision. So hindi pwedeng depends on our decision. It's not good that you will decide at that time. You don't have time to decide. So you need to make up your mind now here on earth. And we don't know the time. Maybe in a minute the battle of Armageddon